Okay, so today we're talking about your smoke detectors. Too often I come into a rental house and I see up on the ceiling the plate that holds the smoke detector. And that's usually because the battery went out. To take it off of the ceiling, twist to your left, it'll come down. Inside of here, you'll flip up the little door and replace it with a 9-volt battery. Then, back to the ceiling, twist to the right. That's how you're going to ensure that your house is safe, and if there ever was a smoke or a fire, that you and your family are alerted. The National Fire Chiefs Council, that's a mouthful, says that there must be a smoke detector near every bedroom and one in the living area. So make sure that you have your smoke detectors battery changed at all times.